With technology taken from the Alexa Mini and the ARRI internal filters, ARRI introduces a line of external front full-spectrum neutral density filters. The 4x 5.65-inch full-spectrum ND 0.3 filter absorbs one stop of light to reduce very bright illumination conditions, allows use of the wide apertures, or add blur and motion effects to a subject during long exposures. ARRI uses Scott B270i glass for absolute flatness and for neutral color rendition, and hydrophobic and oleophobic coating for easy and fast cleaning. ARRI coated filters provide lower reflectivity in the visible spectral range between 400 and 750 nm, and higher reflectivity in the near-infrared spectral range to produce a high dynamic range, improving color neutrality and contrast. Each filter has a unique engraved barcode for inventory and ID purposes, and comes with a protective Cordura pouch lined with micro deer and anti-static cleaning cloth. Benefits: full spectrum neutral density filters from Alexa Mini and ARRI now add front filters. High contrast and true color transmittance for HDR capture. Multiple layers for coating for easy cleaning and prolonged filter life. Long-lasting Cordura pouches lined with micro deer and anti-static cleaning cloth. Fast inventory tracking through unique laser-engraved barcodes. Key features: 0.3 solid neutral density filter, optical quality Scott B270i glass, allows shooting at wider apertures, laser engraved barcodes, premium front filter, reduces amount of light entering lens, multi-coated, high contrast, true color.